Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I soak off my polygel nails. Using my cuticle nippers, I'm going to go ahead and remove my rhinestones. And as you guys can see, all of my rhinestones are intact, so that is a plus for me. And also, I do want to apologize how my nails look. They're really dirty and ugh. Anywho, next we're going to grab our nail trimmer or nail clippers, and we're just going to trim down our nails down to the size that we want. So make sure you cut them really short, so the shorter you have them, the less filing you have to do. Next, using my mandrel, I'm gonna go ahead and use, of course, a sanding band, and I'm gonna just try to get my nails as thin as possible. Just because polygel is not soak off, polygel is file off, or pretty much it's a file off. So soaking them off is not really a thing for polygel, but it does work. The way I soak them off is I have to try to get them as thin as possible. Doing that allows me to soak them off pretty easily. So yeah, the thinner you get them, the better you can do. You can also use a file. Polygel is very easy to file off. So yeah, you don't need a file, but I do recommend it if you want the process to go faster. So once I finished filing them down to the thinnest that I could possibly get them, I'm going to go ahead and grab my brush, and I'm just going to remove any of that dust I have there. After that, I'm going to go ahead and use a 100x180 grit file, and I'm going to go ahead and file off the edges or anywhere there where I don't feel as comfortable to use my e-file. After doing this, we're going to go ahead and start off by doing the soak off process. But yeah, like I said, make sure you do not overfile your nails. If you're not too comfortable using your e-file, make sure you use your file, because this can prevent any overfiling, which I have had happen to me, and trust me, it is not good. I couldn't wear any nails for at least a week or so. So once I've done that, I'm gonna use my tissue. I have like a napkin under there, and I'm just gonna fold that up so I don't get any of that dust onto my table or anything like that, just because I do not have a dust collector. If you do, then definitely use that. And you're just gonna go ahead and throw it away. And now let's get right into the soaking process. Now you're gonna go ahead and need a bigger bowl and a small bowl. I don't know if that makes sense. A big bowl and a small bowl. One of them is made out of glass, and the other one's made out of ceramic, which is the red one, and the other one is made out of glass. So now I'm gonna go ahead and place my hand onto the glass bowl just so I know how much acetone I need, just because I don't want to waste any at this moment. There's a lot of stuff we can't get, so I'm not gonna try to waste any. So now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my 100% acetone. Make sure it is 100% acetone. It can be from wherever, as long as it's 100% acetone, then you're good. The one I'm using is from Dollar Tree. And now we're simply gonna go ahead and pour that on there. And I don't want it to reach too much towards my skin, so I'm just placing how much I would need in order for it to at least cover my nails. So now I'm gonna grab my bigger bowl, and I'm gonna place some hot water in there. I went ahead and heated up my water for about 2 minutes and 30 seconds in my microwave. And after that, you're going to go ahead and place your acetone in there. But I had way too much water, so I went ahead and put some back. So then go ahead and just place your hand on top of the bowl that has the acetone on there. And you just want to go ahead and place your hand there for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how much you want to put it there. So doing this actually allows the acetone to work faster, so I definitely recommend you never try to soak off just using pure acetone. It's not going to work. And make sure you put some sort of heat under the acetone to make it work faster. And yeah, we're just going to go ahead and do that for 5 to 10 minutes. After that, we're going to go ahead and use a cuticle pusher to pretty much scrape off as much polygel as we can pretty much get. So once I removed my hand from the acetone, I went ahead and grabbed my cuticle pusher, and I'm just scraping off as much polygel as I possibly can get off. And I do have a quick tip for you guys that I learned along the way. This was my first time doing this soak off process, and I'm actually very surprised that it worked, and it was very easy as well. But I do want to give you guys a quick tip. I do recommend you guys place your hand into the acetone bowl for about 5 minutes. After that, remove it right away and grab a hand file, either 100x180 grit file, that's the one I use, and just try to file as much polygel as you possibly can get. And this definitely helped me along the way. doing that allows you to pretty much make the process much faster. So here I am able to see that the XXC polygel is almost gone. I am not struggling to scrape it off my nails, but on the other hand, the Model 1's polygel, which is the white polygel that you guys see there, most of it's still there. I've tried to scrape it off, but it was very difficult for me. So I definitely recommend you guys try the XXC Cosmetics polygel. It is probably my favorite polygel. I've tried their formula and it's really good and amazing. And here you guys can see how easy it is to scrape it off. The removal process for it, it's very easy and most of it's gone. And yeah, definitely recommend you guys try that. So I think it also depends on the type of polygel brand that you guys are using for the process to either go faster or slower. So I went ahead and soaked off my nails. This is the third time that I did it, and I mainly did it 4 times just because I wanted to get most of the polygel off my nails. And yeah, everything just depends on the polygel you use.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, 'cause the pain is in my eyes.
So after I've gotten most of the polygel off, I go ahead and buff my nails just to remove any excess product I have, such as base coat or anything like that.
Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and use some alcohol, and I'm gonna go ahead and just spray it twice on my nails just to remove any dust we have or anything like that on our nails. We're gonna go ahead and start by grabbing our cuticle oil. The cuticle oil that I'm gonna be using is gonna be from Dollar Tree.
Now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie.
So then after that, we're just gonna go ahead and add cuticle oil just because acetone does dry up your skin and your nails. So yeah, just add cuticle oil, and after that your nails should be good as new and you're ready to start your second set, or go ahead and proceed to doing whatever it is you're gonna do on your nails. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like this video if you found this video helpful. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, make sure to leave a comment down below. I always read comments. And thank you guys so much for 160 subscribers. It means the world to me. And yeah, hopefully you guys are staying safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.